Hey everyone, this is question number 14 from chapter 6. This problem asks us about a jet lifting off from a boat and asks for the work done by the gas thrust and the work done by the catapult. So the first part of this A, it asks for the work done by the gas thrust. In the question stem, we are given the constant force of the work, and we can find the displacement from the graph down here. So work equals force times distance. So for A, we're just going to have work gas equals force 130 kilonewtons, which is 130 times 10 to the third newtons, times it's in the direction of the force is in the direction of displacement. Displacement is 85 meters, so the cosine would just be of 1. So we're just going to do 85 meters, and that will plug that into your calculator. You'll get 1.1 times 10 to the 7th joules. Okay, part B asks for the work done by the catapult, and we're given a graph here for the work done by the catapult. When you have force graphed against displacement, your work just equals this area under the curve. So it's a trapezoid, so the equation for area the first base, which is 1,100 times 10 to the third newtons plus 65 times 10 to the third. That's all newtons. And you're going to multiply that by the height, which is 85 meters. Plug that in, and you'll get work catapult equals 5 times 10 to the 7th joules.